Alright, so this is our RobotC main page. We have two options for getting started. One, we can choose New File, or we can go File, New, Competition Template. So this competition template has an autonomous task and a user control task. Right here. So, under the while true, we need to get rid of all of these comments. Then we have to define our motors. Right up there. So we need to first see that there are ports 1 through 10. We need to say the name of the motor and what type it is. So we're going to call it FR for front right drive, and then FL, front left drive, and back left, and back right. And then we're going to use the 393 motors. Then we need to reverse the right side to make it go forward. Alright, so we're just going to make a simple tank control program in the while true loop. So for the syntax here, it's just going to be motor, and then in brackets, the motor name, which would be FR, one equal sign, and then VEX RT, capital R, capital T, and in brackets, the channel. This is going to be channel 2 for the right side, semicolon. Then we're just going to copy it and paste it 4 times, and make the adjustments for the name and the channel to be correct. The left side would be channel 3. Alright, so we have finished tank control, and let's say you want to make an arm. So you have to go back to motor sensor setup. Let's say you plug it into port 5. So we have to call it arm, and then select your 93 motor. Alright, so this is the first time that we're going to use an if statement. So the syntax is if, and then in parentheses, you have to do the same thing we had before, VEX RT, capital R, capital T, and then in brackets, you say BTN, so button, and then we're going to just do 8U. So, then 2 equal signs, and a 1. Okay, so for the syntax, the same thing we did before was motor, in brackets, motor name, so arm, equal sign, and let's just do 100. So we're assigning 100 to the motor, semicolon. Alright, so essentially what this is saying is that if it's pressed, the button 8U is pressed, then the motor arm starts spinning at 100. Alright, so then we need to do else if, and select if it's going down. So 8D equals 1, then set it to negative 100. Alright, and then last thing, we want it to stop if we're not doing anything. So else, then just motor arm equals 0. Another good thing to do is saying if the other button is not pressed. For example, if button 8U is pressed and 8D is not pressed, then move the arm at 100. This prevents getting mixed up pressing 2 buttons at once. Alright, and we have completed the programming for the arm.